Building healthy garden soil is the secret to strong, thriving plants. Instead of relying on chemical fertilizers, we can use natural ingredients from our kitchen and organic sources to create nutrient-rich soil. This method improves plant growth while making use of food scraps and organic matter that would otherwise go to waste. The first step is to collect fruit peels from the kitchen and cut them into small pieces. Fruit peels are packed with essential nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, which help plants develop strong roots and healthy growth. They also improve soil texture, making it easier for plants to access nutrients and water. Next, we prepare a container to mix our soil-enriching ingredients. Start by adding a layer of worm castings at the bottom of the container. Worm castings are one of the best natural fertilizers, filled with beneficial microbes and nutrients that promote plant growth. Then, add the chopped fruit peels as the second layer. The last layer should be another layer of worm castings. This layering technique ensures that the nutrients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Once the layers are set, mix everything thoroughly so that the worm castings and fruit peels are well combined. At this point, sprinkle some fish meal powder into the mixture and mix again. Fish meal powder is a fantastic organic fertilizer that provides plants with high levels of nitrogen, encouraging strong leaf and stem development. Now it's time to prepare the garden bed or container for planting. Start by removing the top 2 to 3 inches of soil from the bed or container. This step creates space for the nutrient-rich mixture to be added. Take the prepared mixture of fruit peels, worm castings, and fish meal, and spread it evenly in the garden bed or container. Once the mixture is added, cover it back up with the soil that was removed earlier. This helps to keep the nutrients locked in while preventing exposure to direct sunlight and pests. Worm castings play a major role in improving soil quality. They contain beneficial microbes that help break down organic matter, making nutrients more accessible to plants. They also enhance soil aeration and moisture retention, preventing compaction and allowing plant roots to breathe easily. At this stage, the garden bed or container is ready for planting. You can directly sow seeds into the enriched soil or transplant seedlings. The mixture will slowly release nutrients, providing plants with the essential minerals they need for strong, healthy growth. Over time, the organic matter in the mixture will continue to break down, further improving soil fertility and structure. This method not only boosts plant health, but also helps reduce kitchen waste by repurposing fruit peels. It's an easy, cost-effective way to create nutrient-rich soil that supports long-term plant growth. With a little effort and the right natural ingredients, we can build a strong foundation for a thriving garden.